exploring the world of nouns and pronouns in English. Hello, language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into a crucial part of English grammar, nouns and pronouns. Specifically, we'll be focusing on creating sentences using different types of nouns and pronouns. This topic will build your confidence in English and pave the way towards mastering the language. Let's start with nouns. Remember, a noun is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. There are different types of nouns, including proper nouns, common nouns, countable nouns, and uncountable nouns. Let's create some sentences using these different types. 1. Proper nouns. These are specific names of people, places, or things. For example, Paris is a beautiful city. Here, Paris is a proper noun. 2. Common nouns. These are general names for people, places, or things. For example, the city is beautiful. Here, city is a common noun. 3. Countable nouns. These are things that we can count. For example, I have 2 cats. Here, cats is a countable noun. 4. Uncountable nouns. These are things that we cannot count. For example, I love music. Here, music is an uncountable noun. Next, we'll look at pronouns. Pronouns are used in place of nouns to avoid repetition and make sentences clearer. They include personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and relative pronouns. Let's dive into some sentences. 1. Personal pronouns. These refer directly to a noun. For example, he is my brother. Here, he is a personal pronoun. 2. Possessive pronouns. These indicate ownership. For example, this book is mine. Here, mine is a possessive pronoun. 3. Reflexive pronouns. These refer back to the subject of the sentence. For example, she saw herself in the mirror. Here, herself is a reflexive pronoun. 4. Relative pronouns. These link clauses or phrases to a noun or pronoun. For example, the man who walked the dog was very tall. Here, who is a relative pronoun. Now that we've refreshed ourselves on nouns and pronouns, let's combine them in a few sentences. Understanding how nouns and pronouns interact is key to mastering English grammar. For instance, Daniel, proper noun, gave his possessive pronoun, cat, common noun, some milk, uncountable noun. I, personal pronoun, saw a dog, countable noun, in the park, common noun. That, relative pronoun, belonged to Maria, proper noun. And that's a wrap on our exploration of nouns and pronouns in English. Keep practicing these examples, and soon, using different types of nouns and pronouns will become second nature. Remember, English language learning is a journey, and every step brings you closer to mastery. Until next time, happy learning!